Meaning of dicot.
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 Dicot. Dicot is a shortened term for dicotyledon, which refers to a group of flowering plants that have two seed leaves in their embryos. This is in contrast to monocotyledons, which only have one seed leaf. Dicots are characterized by their netted leaf veins, 4 or 5-parted flowers, and generally broad leaves. They make up a significant proportion of the world's plant species and are found in a wide range of habitats. Some well-known dicots include roses, sunflowers, and beans. Overall, the term dicot serves to describe a specific group of plants based on their embryonic development and certain physical characteristics.